we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for video chat. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you need to make sure you have access to the video chat feature, which is part of the latest updates for ChatGPT Plus users. If you're not a Plus user, you might want to consider upgrading to access these features. Next, look for the video chat option in the main menu or the sidebar on the left. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to allow access to your camera and microphone. Make sure you grant these permissions to proceed. Once you're set up, you'll see the main video interface, which is pretty straightforward. On the screen, you'll have a button to start a new video chat session. Click on that button, and you'll get a unique link that you can share with others to join the chat. Remember, the person you're inviting needs to have a ChatGPT account as well. Once they join via the link, you'll see them on your screen, and you can start your conversation. You can use the chat box on the side to type messages if needed, which is handy for sharing links or text during your call. If you need to adjust any settings, like changing the camera or microphone, you can do that from the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the video chat interface. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during your call. That's basically it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.